Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about our flood insurance options in Knoxville, Tennessee drying up. Now we want to talk about how maybe some of the flooding here on the Holston River and other areas around Knoxville might be limiting your flood insurance options. Back in January of 2019, Knoxville experienced a lot of flooding from massive amounts of rainfall that just came one day after the other. Well, when this happened, a lot of flood insurance claims took place. Now, if you know through the National Flood Insurance Program, whether you have a claim or not, it's always available for you. Well, that's actually not the case for private flood insurance. When there's been a lot of flooding in an area, if there's been a lot of claims in an area, a company will do what's called a moratorium. They might even do a rate adjustment where they have a much higher rate at that time in that area because they've taken on too much risk. So it's very important that you work with a specialist on the flood insurance side that understands the National Flood Insurance Program, that understands the private flood insurance. They understand, who is putting these moratoriums or who's putting these rate increases in these areas, and really what all of your options are. Because we hear from people every day that say, hey, private flood insurance is not available in Knoxville right now because of all the flooding back in January. This exact same thing happened in Oklahoma, Nebraska, and Iowa. And while plenty of options were out there, most people were unaware of them. So it's very important that you understand these. And that's why we always recommend you work with a flood specialist like the Flood Insurance Guru on these subject matters. So if you've got questions really about what your true options are for flood insurance in the private flood insurance market in Knoxville, Tennessee, then please reach out to us. floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background of flood mitigation, so we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.